everyone, and welcome back to English Stories for Beginners. I'm so happy to see you here today. Do you want to speak English more naturally when you travel? On this channel, stories become your teacher, and we practice with the shadowing technique. Listen carefully, then repeat after me, just like my shadow. Copy my voice, my speed, and my feeling. This trains your brain to think in English rather than translating. Today's story is called Wrong Gate. It's about a last-minute gate change, missing the announcement, and a race across the terminal. You'll learn simple, powerful travel phrases to ask for help. Confirm directions and stay calm. Relax, listen closely, and repeat each line with me. Are you ready? Let's begin. Check-in smiles.
My name is Lena. I'm flying to Boston today. I arrive early. I check in at the counter. The agent smiles. Gate C14, boarding at 10:20. I say, thank you. I feel calm and ready.
Coffee and comfort.
I buy a warm coffee. I sit near gate C14. Wheels roll by. Voices echo around me. I text my mom, boarding soon. I put one earbud in. Soft music plays. Time feels easy.
The fast announcement.
A speaker crackles. The voice is fast. Flight 342. Now at gate C22. I raise my head. Was that my flight? No one moves. I wait and sip. I think it's fine.
Screen trouble.
The screen above me blinks. Then it freezes. 10:18. I feel a small worry. A family stands and leaves. I stand too. I walk to the desk. Excuse me, is flight 342 still here?
Gate change.
The agent checks quickly. Her eyes go wide. Gate change to C22. Boarding now. My stomach drops. Which way is C22? Straight then left at the bookstore. About 5 minutes if you hurry.
The sprint.
I grab my bag. I start to run. I passed C16. I passed C18. Excuse me. Sorry. My coffee shakes in my hand. I keep moving.
Mapper people?
I stop at a map. Lines, arrows, colors. I still feel unsure. A cleaner is nearby. Excuse me, where is gate C22? He points and smiles. Straight ahead, left at the bookstore. Thank you so much.
The Escalator Jam.
The escalator is full. It barely moves. I take the stairs. My backpack bounces. My heart beats fast. I check the time, 10:25. I whisper, almost there.
A helpful stranger.
I slow down at a turn. A woman sees my ticket. C22. Turn left. Hurry. They're calling the final group. Thank you, I say. I repeat in my head. Left. Bookstore. C22. I run again.
The wrong hall.
I see C20. Then C20A. No C22. I stop again. A security guard stands nearby. Excuse me, did the gate change for flight 342? Yes, it's C22 this way. He points sharply to the right.
Confirm twice.
I walk, then turn. I see the bookstore. So C22 is just past the bookstore, right? That's right. Thank you. I breathe out. I walk faster. I clutch my boarding pass.
Almost there.
I see a crowd. I see the gate sign. C22 shines above the door. I hear my flight number. Final call for Flight 342 to Boston. I wave my pass. Please wait. They look up.
The beep of hope.
The staff member nods. Are you Lena? Yes, I am. Gate change. Yes, I was at C14. You made it. Board now. I scan my pass. Beep.
Seat and silence.
I walk down the jet bridge. My legs feel weak. I find my seat by the window. I sit and breathe. I close my eyes. I whisper, thank you. Lesson learned. Confirm twice.
What I should have done.
I take out my phone. I open the airline app. It shows gate C22. I nod at the screen. I should have checked earlier. I should have asked sooner. I should have turned off the music. Now I know.
Simple phrases. Big help.
I practice in my head. Did the gate change? Which way is C22? Could you speak more slowly, please? So, straight, then left. These small sentences help. They open doors. They save minutes. They calm my mind.
Kindness at airports.
I remember the cleaner's smile. I remember the woman's wave. I remember the guard's clear point. 3 helpers. 3 simple directions. 1 saved flight. Airports are busy, but people still help.
Take off thoughts.
The plane begins to move. I look at the wing. Clouds wait outside. I write 1 line. Check the board. I write 1 more. Ask. Confirm. Repeat. We lift into the sky.
Great job. You listened, repeated, and shadowed with me today. Every sentence you spoke made your English stronger. Wrong gate teaches a simple truth. Airports change fast. Screens update. Speakers talk quickly. But if you ask clearly, confirm directions, and stay calm, you can save your flight and your day. Small English sentences solve big problems. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to English Stories for Beginners for more shadowing practice. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new story. Remember, 1 page, 1 story, 1 step, your English will grow. Thank you for learning with me today. See you in the next video.